Hello and welcome back to our house. It's good to have you with us again. It's a beautiful sunny day today, a great day for gardening, and today we're going to be removing all the conifers and the bushes along our driveway. I've been looking forward to doing this job for a long time. I've been doing other videos like weeding and things like that, but that's just general maintenance. We all have to do that. But this job represents a change in the way our front garden is going to look. It also will make it much easier for people to back out of our driveway. Everyone hates backing out of our driveway because there's a curve in the driveway. Now these conifers stick out a fair bit into our driveway, so it'll be great to have them removed. Now I've got some tools to do the job and I will bring those over. We'll have a look. So the tools we're going to be using today, I've got some smaller accessory tools. I'm going to of course use the snippers just in case I need them. Can't do anything without our garden gloves. A little saw, just in case I manually need to saw something. But these two tools here, I've used these numerous times. They are such time savers. I can't emphasize, especially the shredder, just how much time this has saved. We had some very big bushes out the back that I'll show you a picture of them now. They were gigantic, about 10-12 foot wide by about 8 foot deep, and this helped get rid of all of them. I'll put links into the description below for where you can purchase these items. So this item will come in very handy just to cut at the bases, saves me getting under there and manually doing it with the saw. It'll just save so much time. And the shredder of course, because there's so much here. So I thought we'd take a quick look at what we're up against now, and this is one of the smaller conifers. You can see it's probably 4 or 5 inches wide at the base and maybe 3 inches high before it branches off. You can see it's reasonably dense. And then we'll go to the conifer just next to it, roughly the same size, or I'd say almost exactly the same size. 4 or 5 inches wide at the base, 3 inches high before it starts branching off. I'll get into focus, here we go. Now the large conifers are much wider, probably 8-9 inches wide at the base, and they probably go 8 inches or so before they branch off, and far more dense. Unfortunately, I couldn't even get a camera in there, they're so dense to show you. But we'll have a look at one of these little bushes in between the conifers. They stick out a fair bit, it's almost like a little mini jungle. I'm struggling to get the camera in there. Oh, there we go, I found a spot. And there we go. So, 1 to 1.5 inches thick, the little trunks as they spread out, and they should be pretty easy to cut through. So I think it's time to get stuck into it.